Hi, this is Jonah with Sweet Honeycode, and today we're going to take a look at Shopify and how to create a flash sale. So let's get to it. First, I'm going to talk the Minimog theme. They recently released an updated theme for Black Friday Cyber Monday, and it features a lot of neat options for a flash sale. As you can see here, there's a flash sale section. Now what's neat is as I interact with it, it's already set up for me, so as soon as I choose which products I want, the customer can click on through and see that interaction. See that in action right now. There you go, you can see the timer and how many are left in stock. Now let's talk about apps. Within the Shopify App Store, there are 3 apps I see that look really promising. Oh, and to find these apps, you just click Flash Sale to get started. So there's the Flashify app, there's the Disco Black Friday app, and there's this other one called Daily Deals BFCM as well. You can go and take a look further at which each app provides for you, but I think it's great to take a look at one of the examples. So I'm going to quickly set up the Flashify app onto one of my stores. Here we are, we're in Flashify. Gives me a prompt here, let me just exit that. Let's create a campaign, choose the end date for my campaign, click next, go ahead and choose some products to use for this example. Awesome, I can also adjust other things as well, like maybe tell how many quantity I have or what's been sold. From here I'm going to choose the widget as well, and it does give me a landing page. Click next to continue. Alright, there we go, now it's all set up. Awesome. Well, I hope you liked today's video on exploring a few different ways to create flash sales on Shopify. Let me know how your experience is, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.